video we are looking at how to assemble the potion bottles. I have 2 of them completed. I just didn't put the panel on the back, but there is a panel for the back. The stopper pulls out. So we have this shape, we have this one. And I've got this one here to assemble with you. They're all designed the same way. I've already put my panels on, done my label, put the panels on my stoppers, on my stopper. The edge pieces, the sides, look like this. So you'll want to, each side of the bottle is the same, with one piece that has the bottom on it. So you would take this piece and attach it to okay. Now when I do it, I like to I like to go ahead and put the glue on all the tabs. I'm gonna kind of do it all at once. I'm gonna start at the top. Let me get the glue on here. You want to put enough glue that you have time to move the pieces around before it dries, but not too much to make a mess. And for me, I find that my first piece that I do typically turns out the best, so I like to start with my front panel. And I'm just going to line this right up there. I'm going to do that side. And then I'm going to do this side, because I do want to make sure that the top is lined up well. Then I'm going to push the bottom. This is where you'll want your glue to be a little bit wet so you can push those around. There we go. And now I'm just going to put the glue here and the bottle is done. So these are very quick and easy. They have a 2-inch opening at the top, so you can get some treats in there if that's what you want to use it for. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to line up my top first because I do want to make sure that's lined up evenly. So that's the bottle. Now the stopper, you've got these two pieces that have the angles, and then these two pieces that go straight across. You just want to take your time and line it up. Okay. And then we're just going to close the stopper up. And again, all three bottles go together the same way. Some more glue in here. That didn't seal up very well. Okay. And there is the bottle. So it comes in these three designs. Thank you for joining me.